In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day online completely passively using 100% free traffic. You can see some of my results here up on the screen, and I'm also going to show you tons more proof throughout this presentation. Let's get right into it. First of all, a little bit of proof. I'm here logged into my Google Adsense account, and you can see it says today so far I've made $41.94 in this Google Adsense account. Now I'm going to refresh this. I loaded this page just before I started recording the video. So let me reload the page and you will see now that it's going to get updated. So it was $41.94. Now you can see it's $46.84. So I've made another $5 in the short time from when I was getting ready to this video until now. So it's completely passively. I didn't do anything to earn this additional $5. And you can see like yesterday I earned $67. In the last 7 days, it's been $337 and so forth. AdSense is just one of the ways I make money online. You can see here on JVZoo, my lifetime earnings are $151,000, and I also promote a lot of products in several niches from a lot of other affiliate networks as well. Hi everyone, my name is Greg Kononenko. You might also know me as the Caffeinated Blogger. If you're new to my channel, then please make sure to click the subscribe button just below this video. Tick the bell notification icon as well if you'd like to get notified when I upload my next videos on free traffic, affiliate marketing, and making money online. My goal on this channel is to help you make a full-time income online so that you can have a better future for yourself and your family. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact $100 a day formula that I have personally been using to make $100 a day online completely passively. So here comes the big reveal. This is the formula. It's simple. It's just got these three components to it, and we will break them down throughout this video. I'm going to show you step by step how you can start implementing this for yourself as well. So the very first thing is free traffic. So I generate free traffic in a variety of ways. I'm going to show you in just a second how this works. But basically this free traffic is visitors that are searching for various information online, and they come onto my money page. And the money page is basically a page on my website that is monetized either via various ads or affiliate programs, various things that people can click on that make me money. So I'm converting these free Google search website visitors, bringing them onto my money page, and that's how I make well over $100 a day passively online every single day. I make anywhere from $15,000 to $20,000 a month currently from all of these sort of free traffic that visits my so-called money pages. So let me show you first of all how this free traffic component actually works. Let's say somebody types in free traffic sources into Google, which hundreds of people do all the time, and my website caffeinatedblogger.com comes up as the number 5 approximately search results. Here on page 1 it sort of fluctuates between 3, 4, 5. And if somebody, a person who's looking for information about free traffic sources, a lot of them will end up clicking on my website in the search results here. And if they click onto this link, they will land on my website. And here I've written an article, which I believe is a good article. I hope it's useful. And when people read this article, there are various links here that they can click, okay? And one of the links, I'm telling people about how I have been getting traffic from Pinterest onto my website. And I'm inviting people to sign up for Tailwind, which is the tool that I use. It's a high quality Pinterest approved Pinterest tool. And if somebody clicks on this link, they will get taken to a sign up page via what's called my affiliate link. It's a special referral link that Tailwind give me. And then if they join, then I get paid a referral fee for referring even a free member. And then if they decide to upgrade to a paid plan, I get paid an amount in commissions. So I've just logged in inside ShareASale, which is the affiliate network that hosts my affiliate program for Tailwind. And you can see here are all of these sales, these 50-cent sales for referring free trial members. That's where they're all coming into. Okay, 50 cents, 50 cents. And then you can see some of them end up upgrading and I get paid $2.25 a month for it. So this is a very simple example of how I just put out these money pages out there, right? And then somebody searches for different things like free traffic sources. They land onto my site. They end up signing up for Tailwind via this referral link here. And as soon as they sign up, I start making these sales. So very, very easy. Here is another example. If somebody types in sharks and Bora Bora into Google, they my website, this is one of my blogs, a travel blog, travelcroc.com. It's actually currently rated as the featured website for the search query. See, it's coming up here as kind of like featured snippet. If somebody clicks onto my website, which most people do, they will read my article here. And you will notice that this article actually has an ad here in the sidebar. See how it's got the ad here under sponsored links. And other posts on my site also have other types of ads. So for example, there is an ad here. This is all automatically inserted by Google. I don't have to do anything. It's 100% hands off. I set this up once and it just happens automatically for me. So as people are reading the content, they'll end up clicking this ad, or perhaps some of these ads that are in the center of the content. And as soon as somebody clicks those ads on any of my websites, Google AdSense then pays me per click or per impression, again 100% automated and hands-off, completely passive. So let's see if I refresh this. This has probably gone up even more, 46.84 it was before. So see, now it's 47.05. So somebody else has landed on one of my websites and they've clicked that ad and now it's gone up even more. So this is actually the formula in action, what I have shown you. This is exactly how this works. Let's just recap. You build these money pages, and I'm going to show you in just a second how to do all of that. It's simple. If you just break it down to its basics, it is simple. There's no need to overcomplicate it. Just publish good content on good keywords and people will come via Google search to your website. Then that free traffic, after it lands onto your money page, they will click on those ads and on those affiliate links, and you can make this passive $100 a day online. I actually have been making a lot more than that for quite a long time now, just using this simple formula. A common question that I get is, how much traffic do I actually need to make this $100 a day online passively? That all sounds good, they're driving traffic and creating content, but let's look at some of the actual hard numbers underneath it. So good niches can earn you anywhere from $10 to $50 per 1,000 visitors that visit your website. Okay, so that's basically approximately 1 cent per visitor to 5 cents per visitor. That is if you choose your niches well, because good niches are niches where a lot of people buy a lot of stuff. So things like travel related niches are pretty good. Hobby niches, things like drones, camping, anything that's got to do with four-wheel driving, boating, they all do pretty well. Make money online niche does well. Anything that's got to do with fitness and ailments or with parenting, they do well. So there are tons of really good niches out there. There are some bad niches as well, but don't go into bad niches. You want to go into niches where a lot of people are spending a lot of money. That's going to be profitable for you. So looking at this as kind of like a worst case and a best case, you would need to make $100 a day. In the worst case, you would need approximately 10,000 visitors per day. Okay. Now it sounds like that's quite a lot, but it is actually achievable, and you don't even need to publish that much content on your site to do this. You can do this with 100 to 200 pieces of content. And I know 100 to 200 pieces of content sounds like a lot, but you can get there fairly easily as long as you're just consistent. And if you put out 5 articles per week, then in a year you can publish 250 articles, and it's very, very doable as long as you just take the required steps. Now, best case scenario is, looking at that $50 per 1,000 visitors, you would need just 2,000 visitors a day or less to actually be earning $100. That's if you monetize your money page well, if you've got your ads, you've got your affiliate programs and various other things that you want to promote on that page, and you're generating a lot of clicks to the different things, then you can make that money. Once again, $100 a day online with free traffic is completely possible as long as you stick to the formula. Now, I already know that a lot of people are going to comment on this video and say that $10 to $50 per 1,000 visitors is impossible to achieve because AdSense doesn't pay a lot of money, it's hard to make money, etc., etc. Well, let me show you something here so that you know that it is actually possible. This page here is by Income School. They have an excellent YouTube channel and I highly respect those guys. Now, they revealed this page publicly, so I can reveal it to you as well. They revealed it in some of their videos recently. They were selling some of their websites, and you can see that their camping website here, camperreport.com, it's been getting 300,000 page views per month, and their ads earnings are $8,684 per month. So if we use the calculator here, and let's just quickly calculate 8684 divided by 300,000. Okay, so you can see if we multiply that by 1,000, this is $28.94. So call it almost $30 per 1,000 visitors that they have been getting. Okay, so it is absolutely possible. I'm getting similar amounts, somewhere between $10 and $50 per 1,000 visitor on my fitness website as well. So it's absolutely possible, guys. You can check this out for yourselves as well. It is definitely possible to get well over $10 per 1,000 visitors in a ton of different niches. Don't believe people who are saying that AdSense and display ads are a bad way to make money. You can absolutely make good money with it. All right, so here is the step-by-step rundown of what you need to do if you also want to make $100 a day online passively. Step one is to choose your niche. If you have not yet chosen a niche, I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can find a cool niche quickly. So here is a really good way. You can type in blogger income reports and you will see there are lots of results here that are talking about how much bloggers in different niches actually make. So if we open this one up, 50 blog income reports from 2,000 to $1 million per month. Not all bloggers disclose their income reports publicly, but there are certain bloggers that actually do this, okay? So you can, as you can see, it comes in two parts. And if you scroll down, you will actually see all of the blogs and exactly how much they make. So you can see this parenting blog makes $4,000 per month. You can see that frugal living makes $100,000 per month. You can see that a food blog makes over $60,000 per month. And you can continue going through and through and through. There is a veganism blog, a lifestyle blog, a fitness blog, become a VA blog makes over $20,000. Lots of food blogs, interior design, $3,000. Now, all of these blogs, this is not their maximum ceiling, okay? This is just they happen to be making this money at this point in time. Obviously, if they get more traffic, they can make more money. But for you guys, I want to kind of stress how useful this can be, because you can open any of these blogs. If you open this Arts and Classy, you will actually see a very detailed income and traffic report, and you will see here the analytics, okay, what are the page views, how are they making money. Here it actually breaks it down into how much is from AdThrive, how much from Acorn Influence, from Amazon, from Bluehost, from various other places, exactly how they promote. So you can actually reverse engineer it. So you can borrow the idea of a niche, okay? So if this particular one is in the, let's say in the DIY and interior design, you can, if you feel like this is your niche, you can also go after this niche. You can go into the sewing niche, for example, or a knitting niche. Look at that, 10,000 per month in the knitting niche. Who would have thought? Flooring, etc. And you can try to structure your blog in a similar way to how these people there have structured their blog. So this will give you so many ideas. There are literally hundreds of niche ideas out there, and you can see the real people who have succeeded making money with this particular niche. Your step two is to create a site and install the site. To do that, you would need a domain. For example, my website domain is caffeinatedblogger.com. So if you wanted to go into the knitting niche, you could type in something like knittingcraze.com. By the way, I use Namecheap. You can find the link in the description below. I use Namecheap for all of my domain needs. If you type in knittingcraze.com, this will give you some information on whether Knitting Craze is actually available or not. And as you can see, it actually is. I can register it for 13 Australian dollars per year. So it's pretty cheap. It's about 8, 9, something like that, US dollars per year. And after you've got the domain, you would need to have it connected to a hosting account. I use Siteground as my hosting provider. Once again, there is a link in the description below if you'd like to grab the Siteground hosting account at the best price. And I've also got tutorials on exactly how to set up your website from start to finish. Again, I'm going to drop a link in the description below. I'm not going to spend too much time here in this video on how to actually set up your website. After you have created your website, then you can move on to step 3, which is to start producing the content. Don't get distracted by anything else. Stop looking at your analytics, etc., etc. Just focus on creating 20 posts as fast as possible. I've already got a few people in my Facebook group where I'm helping people build blogs. who have really buckled down, and in the last month they've written close to 15 or 20 posts. They're ready to kind of go live with their websites. So you can definitely do this in under a month if you really focus. Create 20 high quality posts on the targeted keyword topics that will start bringing you the traffic. And after 20 posts, you guys will see results. There's a link once again in the description below. I've recently made a very detailed video on how to find your keywords and how to start creating the content fast, how you can produce these blog posts fast. So check this out in the links below so that you can learn how to actually do this step by step. Once you've published those 20 posts, then you should be seeing some traffic that will start to come into your site. At that point in time, this is when you can monetize. So to monetize with AdSense, it literally takes 1 second. They'll give you a little piece of code and you need to copy and paste it into a particular area onto your website. When you register with Google AdSense, you'll need to go through an application process, and you will need to have those some high quality content on your site. That's why you need to produce these 20 articles initially. But basically they'll give you a bit of code that looks approximately like this, and you will need to go into your theme and you will need to insert it into this header section. I've actually also got a tutorial on that. I'm going to put that into the description below on the exact process to kind of like how to set up AdSense. You'll need to insert it into your header code and it will start showing ads in the most appropriate places on your website. So just like that, by having that line in there, Google automatically finds the best places. See how it's inserted the ad in here, and it will put it into the other places onto your website. From there on, once you've got those ads set up on your website, you can also optionally add affiliate links as well, of course, so that you can make affiliate commissions too from your content. Step 5 is to add more content. The more content you can put onto your website, the more page views you're going to get and the more money you're going to get in the long run. Now, there's a lot to cover, so I'll put the links to all of the videos, free videos on my YouTube channel covering all these different aspects. I'll put them into the description below so that you can go through step by step and actually work through this if you would like. Also, my course on blogging and traffic generation, how to set up these niche blogs, is currently on special. There's a 35% discount right now. You can use coupon code YouTube. It also includes a mentorship group where you can ask me questions, etc. If you want to check that out, then you can just go into the description as well and pick that up. That's everything. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel just below this video. Click that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can get a notification straight into your inbox as soon as I upload my next video. My goal on this channel is to help you guys make a full-time income online so that you can have a better future for yourself and your family. Thanks for watching. My name is Greg Kononenko. I'll see you in the next video.